Alright, so answer to the question, how much did it cost me to make my homemade DTF solution? Um, I don't know. The price varies. And here are the price varies. It depends on what brand you want to buy, where you get it from, where you're buying it from, what country you're in. It all varies. I mean, it varies wildly too. For instance, I'm in the US. All right, so if I buy Walmart or CVS or Target, Walgreens, let's just not say Walgreens, Wegmans, ShopRite, Costco's, Sam's Club. I mean, there's a bunch of brands all over the place. Kroger's. I mean, you get my point yet? All these brands vary by so many much pennies, dollars, whatever. And I'm talking the two things you need. Now, if you're in a different country, I don't know what brands they have. All right, and the two things you do need is a glass cleaner, right, and distilled water. Now, there's other people online that have the same mixture. It's that's all I'm using. I got the information from offline. It's just glass cleaner and distilled water. That's all I'm using. So I got the information offline. So I'm not telling you something that you can't find somewhere else. You know, this is offline information. So there is really no set price. How you want to mix it also determine how much it's going to cost you. So if you mix it really thick or really thin, it can cost you less. It can cost you more. You get what I'm saying? So that's why that's why there's really not a price in my eyes. It all based on you, how you want it. I have two different mixtures. I have two different bottles. I have this mixture in. I have a really thick mixture where I have more glass cleaner in and less distilled water in it. Right, and I have a mixture where I have more distilled water and very little glass cleaner in it. And they're used for two separate different purposes, of course. Once we're cleaning up, if I have like ink all over the place and I really need to clean it up, well, that thicker glass cleaner mixture will get up that ink really, really nice. If it's light cleaning and I really need more water mixture, or if it's still the ink is still wet, then I can use a more water-based mixture with very little glass cleaner in it. Right? If I need to run ink through the print head, then I want the light, really, really light mixture, where there's very little glass cleaner in it. Run that through the print head. But you do need distilled water because it's cleaner than any other water out there. You don't use any other water. You have to use distilled water because it's cleaned it, remove most of the particles out of it. Right? That's why you have to use distilled water. You can't just pick up water off the shelf. Right? You have to buy distilled water, and that's where the varying price comes in because everybody do their own distilled water and they jack up their prices however they want to jack it up. Right? This is why I said the brands and the market and where you're buying it from will dictate the price on this. Hence, I can't give you a price. You're gonna have to shop around and find the best deal for you. You dictate the price on how much it's gonna cost you to make your homebrew cleaner. I still haven't heard anything from any manufacturer. If they have some solution, some cleaning solution they wanted me to try, nobody came back and said anything, so I don't have a clue. I haven't heard anything back. Nobody wanted to try it. Nobody has said anything to me about I'm trying one of their solutions, see if it's even better than the homemade versions I've been using. So I have nothing to compare it against. So far, homebrew version still works the best. Until I have something to compare it against, I'm still going to recommend homebrew. So homebrew away, all right. When I get, if I ever get some other manufacturer version to try, I'll try it and see if the homebrew and the manufacturer version, which one's better. But right now I don't have anything to try compare it against, so I'm gonna still recommend my homebrew mix. And like I say, I can mix it as thin or as thick as I want, and it's always good when you can control what you can put in it. Plus I know what glass cleaner is and I know what distilled water is. Alright, manufacturers, I don't know what's in it, but then again, if most manufacturers, if they tell you what's in the bottles, you kind of have a clue. You know, they send these manufacturer things, and it's usually a commercial grade cleaning solution. So you kind of want to wear gloves, even if you're using, if you're using glass cleaner, you're supposed to wear gloves anyways, because that stuff is, stuff is pretty nasty stuff. Gets on your hands, you get in your mouth or whatever. You still gotta use caution. So wear gloves when you're using that stuff. Yeah, I'm starting to be a little bit more cautious when I'm using these things, because like I said, you're using them so often. This is why I'm start wearing gloves now when I'm using my when I'm messing with the DTF inks. You start doing, over time after doing it for a while. Sorry, I'm going off on a little bit here, just a little bit more information. Over time, doing something long enough, it builds up. So wear gloves. Just some info. Alright, so back on your cleaning solution, just look around, find the price that works for you, find the brands that work for you. I don't have any specific brands, just get glass cleaner, distilled water. As long as you have them two things, mix to your heart's content. Just, people say one part this to one part that. I have no clue what the hell that's supposed to mean. I just mix it the way I feel like it looks good. Looks good, good enough. It cleans the stuff up, great. It looks good, I'm good. Same thing works for you. If it looks like it will clean the stuff up, if it looks thin enough, light enough, thick enough, dim enough, and you'll find you'll just mix it. Don't look good, dump it, mix it again. Again, you get giant bottles of these things. You get a huge bottle of distilled water and a huge bottle of glass cleaner, and you mix them. You get a little tiny bottle like that, just to hold your mix in, and that's all you really need. Just a little tiny bottle. But when you're buying the refill bottle, you're getting like giant bottles of glass cleaner and giant bottles of distilled water. So you can mix to your heart's content. All right, so trust me, there's really the price is up to you. So, and there's sorry, I know I'm going off rails here, but there is no. I can't sit here and say, oh, there's a set formula. There's really none. As I told you, I have two different bottles I have, and I mix them the way I feel like it. And I'm going to tell you the same thing. Mix them the way you feel. You'll find the formula that works for you. I have two. You might find 4 or 5 that works for you. Just mix. Keep trying until you find the ones that work for you. All right? Till next time. Peace. Oh, I hope that answered your question.